Don't enter 2026 with your girlfriend. Dump her in 2025. A lot of things are more important to you now than relationship. Well, before we enter the year, what till you talk? You say 2025 now your year, and now we don't almost finish the year. Nothing you don't achieve. What you don't achieve? Nothing. You dey give your time and energy to people who don't really care about you. Many of them need to understand. Say all these guys, these guys you love so much with all your heart, they love other people. Even the ones you they crush on, they are crushing on other people. Even the few ones who even deal with you, they are there because the people they love so much, the ones they are crushing on, now they give them face, they are not giving them attention. Now the reason why they settle down with you. And you they take their rubbish, they take their nonsense. Until you don't peep them, you don't build them, finish. The ones who don't they reason them before, the boys don't they reason them, because they later they reason them. When those ones still come into the picture, this guy will still leave you with all your sacrifice, go meet that person. Because right from the beginning, not you be a spec. That's all life just be. She go move on with that person without minding your sacrifices. It dey happen every day. As you dey build and not worry, when you build that, you now claim am from you. That's all life just be. Focus on your life. Now you really matter. And they make you know what thing I dey grateful for life? All my advice they work for me, because if my advice not they work for me. A few years ago where I did, today now, I did not feel count achievements. I dey make this video for my GLE, AMG precisely. For God, this is where guys they tell you say if you make the boy like, make you get like 10 bets, will not send you. All those things are for WhatsApp status they happen. No, for real life you not dey like that too. No guy go choose you when not they focus on your life over me. We get GLE, get everything. No, if like it happen, only two things go make the girl do. Number one, now get where they say I want they eat. The secondly, and the one will be say she dey fear say this boy go use me dump. This one I not there this one level, because they see the reason that they get sense, that they assess, they get sense. The only two things we go make girls choose boy where they do well, where they successful more than you, where they successful, we go make girls choose over you. Now because of say number one, the girl herself they very successful, she they say her own money they shop, or that girl so they fear whether that boy not go take her serious. The boy just want to use her adopt. She know say this one not go take me serious. Now the only two reasons we go make girl leave boy where they do well, where get GLE, get everything, go focus on you where they struggle with your life. Now reality. Even that your girlfriend where they understand it with you, they fool you, they give you hope when you feel like everywhere good. So even at the age of 60, she go still leave you when you don't reach 60. At the age of 60, your girlfriend go still leave you. Something happened for my community recently. One woman leave her husband. What be the reason? A marriage of how many years? Marriage of 30-something years. The woman leave the husband. What make her leave him? She say anytime they want to achieve their marriage, they go do that for town hall. And for our community here, for our tradition, what they do marry now, the man couple, the father couple is supposed to do the marriage. But the woman is only angry because say, this man not get house. So anytime they want to do her daughter's marriage, they carry they go town hall and people they mock them. The single reason why this woman break up, divorce her husband, I be that. So that your girlfriend, where they understand you. If you not still build up your life, if you not still make plans for yourself, live a very good life, the life you deserve, my brother. If you not still live all those sweet ways they sweet talk, you say I not feel live for any other person. I love you so much. I will die for you. I will do everything for you. If the right person come along the line for silly reasons, she go leave you. Before God and man, you know the worst feeling on earth. Now when you see the people where you they beg for something, they are willingly doing that thing for another person. Willingly. That's what it be. All this your girlfriend where they disrespect you, they don't want to submit to you. That same girl you go surprise you, they submit to other people. She they submit to other boys. Now when it reach your turn, it always they get rules and regulations. But when it comes to other certain names, she not get option. My fame opened my eyes to many things. A lot of advantages. You not go believe. Same girl will be say, if they take you months, they do. That same girl for if I go see follow me go ask. Without even me say, without say okay, I'm person without even me move even go meet her direct. If even send person go meet her say, tell her say Geh Geh say me she come. She will come. Real life, same girl will be saying you they struggle they put. What will be the difference between me and you? Probably you even look you even cute past me. You even sweet past me. Forget the looks. But I get what you not get. I get fame, I get name. Are they successful? Success they attract women. The same way sugar they attract ants. You know ants. Even at the age of 60, your girlfriend will still don't leave you. Hey, not rest, bro. Not rest. Go and walk. Not rest. Go and walk. Until you not really need plenty introduction again. Many of them they feel say all this thing I can talk. thank God so I know the beginning of my journey. Many of I know the beginning of my journey when I start. It be like play, but today now, I don't really need introduction like before again. My signature on an autograph, I can't be now. They say my clothes for boutique with my name. People they buy them. Guess they buy them, they wear, they twerk. Bro, I global, they know me follow everywhere as in my name, my shirt, my polo, they sell out for boutique. Guys go wear, they dance, they twerk. Follow everywhere. Not worry about my looks. If you look and I slim down. And why this my vein? They call the show where I don't slim down. I lose weight and I get fever. Not really defined like that. But I see come out here. I they relax. Say this is right on my head. I say, bro, stop caring about relationship. You see, these guys you are dying so much to have, the ones you are crushing or the ones you are loving, they're only going to love you back. They go give you this energy only when they notice that you are successful. They get spec. Check their WhatsApp status. Anybody where they check, I don't feel the data. Maybe I call they check, they follow hot son. They get picture of what they want. Now you will be man and you don't know what you want. So therefore you're always going around, they chase different girls. Even the one you keep for house, you they please and they please and they please. And what you know say normally, the person let you they know say she get taste for other people. They let you they know. They love other people, they love Geh Geh. They won't go sell with Geh Geh for inside Geh Geh GLE, AMG. But they deceive you with love word. All those things when they talk now for online, no. Anybody will get if you like get 100 bands, something for we are now for online, no. Real life not like that. Not let all this way the guys they right for their status they deceive you. If I pull up, if we pull up with AMG, not be the way that they talk now for online, no. Now for social media, I don't know WhatsApp status so for real life, your girlfriend, your girlfriend not really did the way they think, oh. She's not as truthful as you think. She's not the honest the way you think. She wear mask, nose mask, face mask. She this guy. Okay, I get fever. If you see my voice not sharp like before again, you understand. So I wish you the best. You know the type of life when I want for you. I hope you say you go enjoy today. Tomorrow people they enjoy, you go see follow they enjoy. 20 years coming. If people they enjoy, go see follow they enjoy. Now if 17 don't come, I use 16. I go still use 17. With all that army they come. You know that's another type of life I want for. Not be one be say you use the one way last year now, the one way this year now. You're not going to buy them again. That will never be your portion. You know that's God bless you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Okay, when last you see me they talk to Geh? When last you see me they talk to Geh? When last you see me open my mouth they talk to Geh? I know they talk to Geh again. My work don't do the talking for me. I know they talk. I know they talk. I know they talk. I know they talk to Geh. And Geh they talk to me. They be like comedy, but until you did the level when before you go understand what they talk. When last you see me they talk to Geh? I know they talk to Geh.
And remember, like and subscribe. Or else. Smash that button now.